As an upcoming bride of this peak summer season, here are 5 skincare tips that I regularly follow. Number 1, keep your skincare routine super minimal. Please don't add any new ingredients to your regular routine and follow what is already followed. Tip number 2, your sunscreen is non negotiable. Never skip your sunscreen at any cost. And most importantly, you should never compromise on your internal supplements too. Introducing Science by Dabur Marine Collagen. It contains hydrolyzed marine collagen for supporting skin health and texture. It is made with Japanese technology. It has ingredients that helps in wrinkle reduction and skin elasticity. It is packed with glutathione and hyaluronic acid. It contains zero added sugar and a delicious blueberry lavender flavor. Tip number 4, follow a healthy diet. And lastly, drink a lots and lots of water. Keep your body hydrated all the time. So girlies, try to follow all these tips for a healthy and glowing skin and be that stunning beautiful bride on your big day. Do comment for links and do follow for more such tips. Bye bye.